Welcome to my channel. My name's Fernie. I'm a full-time support worker. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your first stream for YouTube. First, you'd want to go to YouTube, sign into your account, continue, type in your password, go to your profile, go to YouTube Studio, then go live button. And then once you click that, if you've never done it before, tell you to wait 24 hours until you can get access to the live stream. Once you've done that, go to your OBS, go into settings, stream, YouTube, connect account, and then you see you have connected it. But to get a stream key, all you gotta do is click get stream key. It'll bring you up to this for the first time. Copy, Control and V, click apply, and then you are connected. Sign into your account. Then what you want to do is go to your scenes, create a new scene. It could be starting soon. Next one. Gameplay, sources, add your display capture, put your game up, click add application audio output, add execute, and then it'll come up here. Once you've done that, you can put your mic in. Once you've done that, you're ready to hit the live button or start streaming button.